Hello, scholars. Today we're going to segment. We're going to say a word and then we're going to break that word apart. Are you ready? So, we're going to use our hands. We're going to say the word, that's the whole word. This is breaking the word apart. So, let's segment together. Watch me first. Classroom, 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 classroom. Now, you try that with me. Classroom, classroom. Let's try another one. Birdhouse, birdhouse. You try that with me. Birdhouse, birdhouse. Playground, playground. You try that with me. Playground, playground. Now, I'm going to say the word and break it apart first, and then you're going to try it. Watch me. Sidewalk, sidewalk. Now, you try it. Footprint, footprint. Mailbox, mailbox. Firefly, firefly. Bathroom, bathroom. Cowboy, sorry friends. Cowboy, cowboy. Now, you try it. All right, this time I'm going to say the whole word and I want to see if you can help me to break it apart. Okay? Sunburn. If you said sunburn, that's right. Let's try one more. Mailbox. Shine, good job. Mailbox, that's right. We're going to do one more because you guys are doing such an amazing job. All right, let's do one more. Outside. Shine. Good job segmenting today, friends.